Windows play an essential role in your home's energy efficiency, comfort, and aesthetic appeal. In Orangeburg, where weather conditions can range from hot summers to cool winters, your windows must perform at their best year-round. However, over time, windows can degrade, losing their functionality and beauty. Knowing when it's time to replace them can save you money, improve your home's comfort, and boost its value. Here are the key signs to watch for to determine if it's time to replace your Orangeburg windows. High energy bills. One of the most noticeable signs that your windows are no longer performing well is a spike in your energy bills. Older or poorly insulated windows can let in drafts and allow heat transfer, forcing your HVAC system to work harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. If you notice that your heating and cooling costs are higher than usual, your windows might be to blame. Modern energy-efficient windows with double or triple pane glass and low-E coatings can significantly reduce energy consumption. Drafts and air leaks. Do you feel a breeze even when your windows are closed? Drafts are a clear indication that your windows aren't sealing properly. Over time, weather stripping can wear out, and frames can warp, leading to air leaks. Drafty windows not only make your home less comfortable but also increase your energy bills. Replacing them with high-quality, properly sealed windows can eliminate drafts and improve your indoor comfort. Difficulty opening, closing, or locking windows should operate smoothly. If you're struggling to open or close your windows, or if the locks no longer function correctly, it might be time for a replacement. This issue is often caused by warping, swelling, or rust, which can occur in Orangeburg's humid summers. Functional windows are not just a convenience, they're a necessity for safety and ventilation. Upgrading to new, easy-to-operate windows can enhance both your security and daily living experience. Condensation between the panes. Condensation or fogging between the glass panes of double or triple pane windows indicates a failure in the window's seal. This failure allows moisture to seep between the panes, reducing the insulating gas, like argon or krypton, that helps improve energy efficiency. When this happens, the window's performance diminishes, and replacement is often the best solution to restore insulation and clarity. Noticeable damage or decay. Cracked glass, rotting wood frames, or visible damage to your windows are clear signs they need attention. In Orangeburg's variable climate, window materials can suffer from wear and tear over time. Wood frames are particularly susceptible to rot and pests, while metal frames may rust or corrode. Damaged windows not only look unsightly but also compromise your home's security and insulation. Replacing them with modern materials like vinyl or fiberglass ensures long-lasting durability and performance. Outside noise. If you hear a lot of outdoor noise when your windows are closed, it could be a sign that your windows aren't providing adequate insulation. Modern windows with insulated frames and multiple glass panes can dramatically reduce noise pollution, creating a quieter, more serene indoor environment. Fading furniture and flooring. If your furniture, carpets, or hardwood floors are fading, it's likely due to harmful UV rays passing through your windows. Older windows often lack UV protection, allowing sunlight to damage your interior decor. Energy-efficient windows with low E coatings can block up to 90% of UV rays while still letting in natural light, protecting your belongings and enhancing your home's energy efficiency. Outdated appearance. Your windows are a significant part of your home's curb appeal. If they look outdated, faded, or don't match your home's style, it might be time for an upgrade. New windows can enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home, increasing its resale value and making it more attractive to potential buyers. Water leaks. Water stains, peeling paint, or moisture around your windows indicate water intrusion. Leaks can lead to mold, mildew, and structural damage if not addressed promptly. Replacing leaky windows with weather-resistant options ensures your home stays dry and protected. Your windows are over 20 years old. Windows have a lifespan, typically 15 to 20 years, depending on the materials and installation quality. If your windows are nearing or past this age, they're likely losing efficiency and structural integrity. Upgrading to modern windows can provide better insulation, durability, and style. Benefits of replacing your Orangeburg windows. Investing in new windows offers several advantages. Improved energy efficiency, lower energy bills, and a more comfortable home. Enhanced security. Modern locks and stronger materials offer better protection. Noise reduction. Enjoy a quieter indoor environment. Increased home value. Attractive, energy-efficient windows boost curb appeal and resale value. Conclusion. If your Orangeburg windows show any of these signs, it's time to consider a replacement. Upgrading your windows not only improves your home's comfort and energy efficiency but also enhances its style and value. Contact a trusted local window replacement specialist today to explore your options and make the most of your investment. Don't wait for small issues to become costly problems. Take action now to enjoy the benefits of new windows for years to come.